Today we're going to be doing a Drinking with the Boys episode where I show my good friend Ulysses here a couple of new drinks I came up with.
Yo, okay.
Take it away, Uli.
What are they called? What's the first drink?
So the first drink I'll be doing today is called a Red Robin. This is what you'd probably serve to the lady when you go out for the night.
Nice. Can't wait to drink that one. What is it? Just alcohol and roofies?
Well, you're half right. So this drink's very simple.
Okay.
It's cherry soda.
All right.
Any cherry soda will do. We're using cherry 7-Up today, just because I like 7-Up. Vodka, New Amsterdam's my favorite. Really get your bang for your buck on it, and some lemons, and then basically just a glass with ice.
All right. Let's do it up.
All right, so just as always, we're going to lay everything out we're going to be using today just to make it a lot easier to access. You'll need a glass with ice. We're doing 5 ounces today of cherry 7-Up, but any cherry soda will work. 1 shot of vodka, New Amsterdam's my favorite, and we'll need 2 slices of lemon. All right, so it's a very simple drink to mix. You get your cup with ice, put in your 1 shot of vodka. This is where 2 lemons really comes in. So you do 1 squeezed in with the lemon in, and 1 on the side. Pour in your cherry soda. A little bit of a mix. Just a little bit. That is a Red Robin. All right, so again, we've never done this before. I made this drink up just today. So go ahead, Yuli, take a try. Tell me what you honestly think about it.
Test Bob, right? It's actually really good. Yeah. I like the sweetness of the cherry, the tartness of the lemon, and you really don't taste the vodka, but you know it's there, and it's really refreshing. I definitely would have this during the summer.
Yeah, right.
Right.
This is
like
the kind of thing. If it's hot out, you could drink this all night.
Next to the pool, or lounging outside. It doesn't matter. And what's great about it, I mean, it's got a lot of flavor, and it's not really expensive. And not a lot of ingredients.
Well, that's again a big goal. It's something cheap and easy. You don't want to be stuck behind the bar all night mixing drinks.
Right.
You can pour a pitcher of this, and people could just drink off of it. It'd be perfect for something like that.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, so that's our first drink of the night. All right, for our second drink tonight, I'm here with Gary. I called this one the Cardinal, and it's a lot like the Red Robin, but with a little more kick. Instead of cherry soda, we use Seagrams. And just like the Red Robin, it comes with vodka, but this one also has a shot of Jäger to top it off. Lemons as well, and some fruit for garnish, which I'll show you at the end.
This one's gonna have a lot of kick.
This is definitely going to be a lot stronger than a Red Robin. This is something you're going to want a couple of at the beginning of the night to get things going.
Definitely not for the under 21s.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. All right, so like everything we do, we lay everything out so it's easily accessible while we're making it. You're going to need a glass with ice, some Seagrams. We're using strawberry Seagrams today. It just worked because we had strawberries to go with it. A shot of Jäger to put on top, a shot of vodka to mix it with, 2 slices of lemon, and some strawberries for garnish. So take your glass with ice, put your shot of vodka in, just like with the Red Robin. Unlike the Red Robin though, we're actually going to smash up both slices of lemon into the drink. Your Seagrams on top. A light mix, just like we did with the Red Robin. On top of that goes your shot of Jäger. And this is where your fruit comes in. This one we garnish with fruit. And this one we call the Cardinal. So I know this is called the Cardinal, and I'm sure a lot of people's minds will go straight to the bird, especially since we just did the Red Robin. It's a very similar drink. This is not a bird-related Cardinal. This is a Catholic-related Cardinal. This is the drink to get you going for the night, so to speak. So you can, if you'd like, mix it up before you drink it, but go ahead and give it a shot. Garrett, tell me what you think.
And I'm interested because I don't usually like Jaeger, so
That's fair. That's why I thought you'd be perfect for this one.
You know, it's actually not bad.
Well, I don't like it how
It
you
has a
say
little bit of Jaeger aftertaste, but no, I would actually drink this drink.
So that's
Like I
the
said, I
Cardinal.
don't like Jaeger. It's not overpowering, and yeah, the others, add to the flavor where you don't really taste the Jaeger. Good job, Jake.
Thank you, Garrett.
So that will be a new series will be called Drinking with BP. Drinking with the Boys. All right. So we have one last reaction shot, I guess you want to call it, for my drink, the Cardinal here. And yes, Luis, it is a sin. Our good friend Luis Rowan, please try this.
Thank you.
And tell me what you honestly think.
Absolutely.
I came up with it today.
Presentational wise, it looks really great. It looks quenching, if you will.
I like the garnish with the strawberry too. I really feel like it adds a little something.
That's
to it.
delicious.
You wouldn't think it, right? But
Yeah.
it came out good.
Mm-hmm. The Jägermeister gives it like a really good kick.
Something else you can do before you try anymore
Mm-hmm.
is you can mix it once you put the Jäger in. Just a little bit. There you go.
Still delicious,
Yeah. So that,
Thank
my
you, Jake.
friends, is the Cardinal,
which is a sin.
which is a sin.